All right, we made it to Les Ouches. We got up this morning at 7, left the Airbnb in Geneva. We were going to go to this coffee shop, but they weren't open yet. So we just went to the train station. Train ride was nice and smooth. It was a beautiful view. Now we're at this cafe called Le Délice. I think that's how you pronounce it. We're having some food, and then we're going to start at the trailhead and head to our first refugio. Yeah. 10:52. The rain was supposed to start at 11, but we didn't quite beat it. But that's okay, we're almost there. 'All right, we finished up our second day of hiking. I said we were going to race with the rain, and by God, we did. We woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, and we left after some breakfast and coffee, probably around 6:30. We made a friend from Finland, Karina, and she came with us on our journey to Le Truc from our previous spot, I think it's called Le Foix. We left super early because the rain was going to start at 11, and it started a little bit earlier. We got caught in it just momentarily. We also had to cross a bridge. That was really cool. It was right across a waterfall. We stopped in this little town, which I cannot remember the name of. We stopped to see if the rain was going to let up. That was around noon, and then we had to do probably some of the hardest rise in elevation that we've done so far and that we will have done for this entire trip, but we did it. The three of us made it to Le Truc. It's a very cute little Airbnb. There are no showers here, so it will be interesting to see what I smell like tomorrow, but that's okay. I knew that was going to be a part of this. The views are absolutely immaculate, as you can see. I mean, my God, it's incredible. We just had lunch and some beer, and now we're going to be hanging out for the afternoon until we get to dinner time. So, yeah.
What's the difference between a duck?
Okay,
Yo. Did you get the cow on this thing?
we are up and at 'em in Le Truc, and we had a really good dinner last night, a couple beers.
Yes.
Caleb wrote some postcards that he wrote essentially the same story on, but kept revising them each time.
Yeah, the thunderstorm was insane last night.
Yeah,
It
thunderstorm
was
was crazy.
craziest
It was
thing
pouring
up here.
down. It's kind of raining right now.
Yeah, misty, beautiful.
Breakfast was really good. There's lots of blueberries here, so everything was blueberry flavored. We had blueberry juice yesterday. Karina had a blueberry tart. They already know who Karina is because I already told them.
They.
Yeah,
These people.
the audience. We had blueberry bread. It was like banana bread, but with blueberries this morning.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we're the last people here. We have a really short journey. We've only got like 3 miles. We're going down that road to the next town.
Indeed. It's quite the adventure so far.
A lot of interesting days coming up with rain and bus rides and
Mixtures of transit, mixtures of going over mountain passes, mixtures of trying to avoid thunderstorms. It's a fun challenge.